Hi everybody, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady. I'm so glad you're here today. And I am working on week 51 of Margarete Miller's collage challenges, and I can't believe we've only got one more after this. So I need a sewing item, which is my little sewing machine here. I'm going to skip a path or a road in favor of a pattern with stripes. And so I'm also using this bigger graph paper as my background, and then I have these two hexagons, which I need, with the pattern of stripes, which is the bonus. So they're going to go around here. I think I'm going to ink around them, though, in some color, probably black. And then I need something with a lid or a cover, and I've got this book, which I think would make a great something with a lid or a cover, because it's got a cover, right? So I'm going to ink around these hexagons. And probably the sewing machine too, actually. I might add some words to this too, because I feel like it's kind of bland. And I don't have anything ready to go for my last one there. Here's my books. I'm going to have to look at those prompts and see what I can find. Okay. And I'm filming all of these the day before Thanksgiving, the last few of these. So as you see them, it might be Christmas time. So I do hope you have a very happy Christmas. I'm going to glue down my background. Might even be New Year's. Well, I think probably Christmas for this one. New Year's for next one. It's probably how it's going down. Oh boy. There, that's better. So I need to do this. Yeah, I know I have real, normal graph paper somewhere, but I couldn't find it, so I opted for this. I think I'll just go ahead and glue these down. Glue with the Fabri-Tac 2. So these are my pattern with stripes and my hexagons. Alright, my sewing machine, I believe I'll put right here. That's something to do with a sewing item. That's definitely a sewing item. Maybe I'll put it here, actually. And then something with my lid or cover is right here. I thought maybe I would have some pots and pans, but I think I used them all in my No Sew November. Alright, let's see what we got. A sewing item. I'm skipping the path or the road. Graph paper. Something with a cover. Hexagons and stripes. That's everything, but like I said, I think I want to maybe put some black and white words down here somewhere. Celebrate life is a good one. Celebrate life. And sorry, I bumped you. I hope that didn't cause an issue. I don't know why sometimes my filming is blurry and flashy. Create happiness. Maybe one more down here. Cherish moments. Sounds good. Okay, so that's it for this week's, and I'll see you next week, hopefully, if you join me then. And I thank you so much for coming along. Bye-bye.